ever imagined turning your home into a tranquil Scandinavian haven, where minimalism meets warmth and every detail exudes simplicity and functionality? Today, we're diving into the best of Scandinavian design, revealing how to infuse your living space with its iconic minimalist style and inviting warmth. Discover how the strategic use of neutral colors can illuminate your interiors, and see firsthand the transformative power of incorporating lush green plants into every room. Let's get started. 1. Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism in the Scandinavian sense is more than a design choice. It's a lifestyle. It's about creating a space that embodies tranquility and efficiency, where every item has a reason to be. This journey begins with a mindset shift towards valuing space and light over things. Consider the function and emotional value of each item in your home. If it doesn't serve a purpose or spark joy, it might not belong in your minimalist sanctuary. Minimalism isn't about stark or bare spaces. It's about harmony and balance. Focus on creating rooms that breathe and invite calmness into your daily routine. This can mean adopting a more intentional approach to what you bring into your home, favoring quality over quantity and choosing items that contribute to a sense of well-being. An exercise to start to incorporate Scandi minimalism into your home is to begin by assessing your belongings in each room with a critical eye. Focus on keeping items that have a clear function or bring you genuine joy. This could mean parting with excess decorative items that no longer resonate with your aesthetic, or consolidating your collection of mugs to those you truly love and use. There should be that sense of space and calmness in the room after the exercise has been done. 2. Neutral color palette. Incorporating a neutral color palette is key to achieving the Scandinavian design's signature simplicity and light-enhancing qualities. Start with your walls, painting them in soft whites or pale grays to instantly brighten and enlarge your space. For a temporary yet impactful change, especially handy for any renters, opt for large light-colored wall hangings or removable wallpaper in muted tones, adding texture and interest without permanence. This neutral color scheme will also enhance those cherished items from our first tip that you want to highlight that bring you joy, taking the focus away from more functional elements like walls and curtains. To further build on this, you can also create a gallery wall using frames in varying shades of neutral colors, filled with black and white photographs or minimalist art, to add personality while maintaining a serene atmosphere. Another idea is to consider an accent wall in a slightly deeper tone or textured finish like lime wash for added depth, creating a sophisticated backdrop that complements the overall minimalist aesthetic. These strategies allow you to infuse your home with Scandinavian elegance, combining functionality with a calm, inviting ambiance, all within a harmonious, neutral color scheme. So I hope you can see it's not just boring whites. 3. Warm textures. Incorporating warm textures into your home is a quintessential element of Scandinavian design, perfectly balancing the coolness of a neutral color palette with inviting warmth. So a natural progression from our last tip. Begin with textiles, as they are the simplest way to introduce warmth. Consider chunky knit throws and woolen blankets that invite you to curl up on the couch. Place them strategically over chairs, sofas, or at the foot of your bed to add a layer of coziness easily within reach. Floor coverings play a pivotal role in adding texture. A plush area rug in the living room or a soft sheepskin throw beside your bed can instantly make the space feel warmer and more welcoming. Opt for materials that beg to be touched, like thick wool or soft cotton, in neutral tones that complement your overall design scheme. Heavy linen or textured cotton curtains can add a layer of warmth to your rooms while still letting in natural light. Choose a fabric that's slightly heavier to enhance the cozy factor, but in a light color to keep the room feeling airy and open. Incorporate warm natural materials through decorative accents. Wooden photo frames, woven baskets, and ceramic vases in earthy tones not only add warmth through their textures, but also contribute to the Scandinavian ethos of connecting with nature. If you have upholstered furniture, select fabrics like tweed, boucle, or textured linen that are pleasant to the touch and visually warming. Even adding a series of mixed material cushions, combining velvet, knit, and faux fur, can elevate the warmth of your space. By focusing on these tactile elements, you can create a space that not only looks warm and inviting, but also encourages comfort and relaxation through the power of touch. 4. Natural light maximization. Maximizing natural light is fundamental in Scandinavian design. That's why I have another tip on lighting later on in the video. It is crucial in creating interiors that feel bright, airy, and welcoming. Here's some key ways to enhance the flow of natural light in your home. Utilize mirrors and other reflective surfaces to bounce light around the room. Position a large mirror directly across from windows to instantly amplify natural light. Metallic or glossy decor pieces can also serve this purpose, subtly enhancing the brightness without requiring major changes. Swap out heavy dark curtains for translucent or sheer window treatments. These allow for privacy while still letting in the maximum amount of light. If possible, replace solid doors with glass ones, especially in areas between rooms or leading outside. This can significantly improve the flow of light through your home. For those in apartments or unable to make structural changes, consider using reflective, translucent, or light-colored room dividers that don't block light. It sounds simple, but keeping windows clean can make a dramatic difference in the amount of light entering your space. Regularly wipe down windows to remove dust and grime that can filter and reduce sunlight. While maintaining a neutral color palette, choose wall and floor colors that naturally reflect light. Soft whites and pastels can significantly enhance the luminosity of a room, making it appear brighter and more spacious. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize the natural light in your home, creating an environment that's in harmony with the outdoors and embodies the light, airy essence of Scandinavian design. This approach has the potential to improve your well-being by connecting you more closely with the natural environment. 5. Functional furniture. Incorporating functional furniture is a cornerstone of Scandinavian design, emphasizing practicality and simplicity to enhance daily living. Here's how to select and arrange furniture for a functional, Scandinavian-inspired interior. Choose furniture that serves multiple purposes to maximize space and utility. A sofa bed offers a place to sit, and an extra bed for guests, while a coffee table with storage can hide away magazines and remotes, keeping the living area tidy. Nesting tables are perfect for small spaces, easily expanding your surface area when needed. I have all 3 of these in my home, and it really does help to keep the home in a state of minimalism, but also expand should the need arise. Embrace open shelving in kitchens, living areas, and bedrooms. This type of storage solution keeps essential items within reach and visually accessible, promoting a sense of openness and space. Decorate shelves sparingly with both functional items and a few decorative pieces to maintain a balance between practicality and style. Opt for chairs and sofas with clean lines and slim profiles. Furniture that doesn't consume too much visual or physical space can make rooms feel larger and more open. Ensure seating is comfortable and ergonomically designed to support daily activities from dining to relaxing. Arrange your furniture to facilitate easy movement and interaction within the space. Ensure there is enough room between pieces for flow, and consider the layout's impact on socializing, work, and relaxation. Scandinavian design values simplicity and functionality, so your layout should reflect a balance of both. 6. Accent with plants. Accenting with plants is an effortless way to infuse life, color, and a touch of nature into your Scandinavian-inspired home. Integrating plants not only beautifies your space, but also enhances well-being by bringing the outdoors in, creating a serene and inviting environment. Begin by choosing plants that are known for their ease of care and ability to thrive indoors. Spider plants, with their graceful, arching leaves, can add a lively touch to any corner or shelf. Their adaptability and low maintenance make them a perfect fit for the Scandinavian ethos of simplicity. Peace lilies, offering elegant white blooms and dark green leaves, can brighten a room while purifying the air, making them both a practical and beautiful choice. For those areas in your home that receive plenty of natural light, consider adding a few succulents or a hardy snake plant. These varieties are particularly forgiving and require minimal attention, yet their unique shapes and textures provide an intriguing visual contrast to the clean lines typical of Scandinavian decor. Place these in simple, geometric planters or natural woven pots to emphasize the design's connection with nature and craftsmanship. Something that I am seeing a lot in Copenhagen is incorporating hanging plants like English ivy or pothos. They can add a new dimension to your space, drawing the eye upward and making rooms feel more expansive. These plants are not only visually appealing, but can also help to improve air quality, adding to the overall sense of comfort and freshness in your home. A single large plant can serve as a focal point in a minimalist room, while a group of smaller plants on a windowsill or coffee table can add a subtle, refreshing pop of green. The key is to maintain balance and harmony with the rest of your space, ensuring that each plant contributes to the tranquil, airy feel that is so characteristic of Scandinavian design. 7. Sustainable materials. The Scandi countries really are at the core of sustainability. So embracing sustainable materials is at the heart of Scandinavian design, marrying aesthetic appeal with environmental responsibility. Integrating eco-friendly elements like sustainably sourced wood not only infuses warmth and natural beauty into your home, but also supports responsible forestry. Look for furniture with the FSC certification to ensure it meets rigorous environmental standards. Textiles play a significant role as well. Opt for organic cotton, wool, and linen for throws, curtains, and bedding. These natural fibers are renewable and biodegradable, aligning with the minimalist ethos of Scandinavian design, while adding texture and comfort. Recycled glass and metal accents offer another layer of sustainability, transforming waste into elegant decor pieces that reduce environmental impact. Such materials also add unique character and style to your space. Scandinavian design champions quality and longevity over trends. Choosing durable, timeless pieces not only reduces waste, but also embodies a commitment to sustainability. This approach not only enhances your living space, but also contributes to a healthier planet. By focusing on sustainable materials, you create a home that is not just visually appealing, but also environmentally conscious, reflecting the true spirit of Scandinavian living in every detail. 8. Lighting as a feature. We're back to lighting. In Scandinavian design, lighting isn't just functional, it's an art form that sets the mood and enhances the minimalist decor. The strategic use of light, from natural daylight, which we've discussed, to the soft glow of candles, plays a crucial role in creating the inviting warmth synonymous with Nordic interiors. The Scandi countries really are candle mad. Every coffee shop will have candles flickering away in winter. So no surprise that candles are essential in Nordic homes, bridging the gap between functionality and ambiance. They introduce a soft flickering light that instantly makes a room feel warmer and more welcoming. Incorporate a mix of real and LED candles to safely achieve that hygge feeling in every room. Display them in simple holders of glass, ceramic, or metal to reflect the candlelight and enhance the cozy atmosphere. Another thing to consider is floor lamps with a Scandinavian aesthetic. They can brighten dark corners without overwhelming the space. Opt for designs that complement the minimalist style, utilizing materials like wood or metal in understated colors. By thoughtfully integrating a variety of lighting sources, including the cherished use of candles, you can create a serene and harmonious environment. 9. Artistic touches. Artistic touches are the soul of Scandinavian design, adding layers of personality and visual interest to the clean, minimalistic spaces. These elements allow for personal expression and bring depth to the serene and functional backdrop typical of Nordic interiors. Opt for monochromatic artworks or those with subtle hues that complement the room's color scheme. A single large canvas can serve as a serene focal point, while a curated collection of smaller prints can create an intriguing gallery wall that reflects your personal tastes and stories. Textural art adds another layer of interest. Consider pieces made from natural materials, such as wood or fabric, that introduce a tactile dimension. These works can range from sleek wooden sculptures to woven wall hangings, each adding warmth and earthiness to the minimalist decor. Don't overlook the artistic potential of everyday objects. A beautifully designed chair, an elegantly simple vase, or a set of hand-thrown ceramic dishes can be as much a work of art as any painting. Display these items where they can be appreciated for their form as well as their function. Finally, introduce elements of nature as art. A beautifully arranged selection of stones, branches, or even a minimalist arrangement of dried flowers can bring a piece of the outside world into your home, enhancing the Scandinavian connection to nature. There really are no budget constraints to this style tip. 10. Textural contrast. Textural contrast is a subtle yet powerful tool in Scandinavian design, adding depth and visual interest to the inherently minimalist spaces. Start with the basics. Combine soft textiles with harder materials for an immediate contrast. A plush wool rug on a sleek hardwood floor, for instance, not only feels wonderful underfoot, but also adds visual warmth. Similarly, crisp linen curtains that flutter gently in the breeze can soften the lines of a modern glass-paneled window, introducing a dynamic interplay of textures. Furniture choices offer another opportunity for textural contrast. A smooth, matte-finished wood table paired with chairs that have a rough, woven fabric brings an engaging tactile diversity to dining areas. In the living room, a leather sofa beside a chunky knit throw and a velvet cushion creates a multi-sensory experience that is both visually appealing and comfortable. Don't forget the smaller details. Decorative elements like ceramics with a raw, unglazed finish, metallic accents with a brushed surface, and glass vases with a rippled texture contribute to the overall depth of your interior design. These pieces catch the light and shadow differently throughout the day, adding a dynamic quality to the space. Incorporating plants with varying foliage textures, from the soft, delicate fronds of a fern to the thick, glossy leaves of a rubber plant, also enhances the room's textural diversity, reinforcing the Scandinavian love for bringing nature indoors. I hope these insights inspire you to incorporate some Scandinavian design principles into your own home, creating a space that reflects tranquility, functionality, and a profound connection to the natural environment. Remember, it's not just about the look, it's about embracing a lifestyle that values simplicity, well-being, and sustainable living. Thank you for joining me on this design journey. If you're inspired to make changes or have already started incorporating Scandinavian design into your home, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating. And remember, the beauty is in the detail.